Good evening, everybody. It's Demo Aurelius. I'm chilling. I've got the PlayStation 5 set up. I've already ran Gran Turismo 7. A little bit earlier. Time is actually set to the correct time. 11:53 p.m. About to watch a movie. I've been wanting to watch this movie for quite a few years. I've had to borrow it from my sister a few times, and yeah, the past 4 years I couldn't find it for under $20-something, so I was happy. This thing is very interesting to figure out working with. I had to figure out transferring my games over via hard drive. Since Gran Turismo was stuck in the hard drive, but was on PlayStation 4, I just put the disc in. Had a bit of a sweet tooth, and this was something my mom sent me. Key lime. It was pretty damn good. They're like little bunt cakes from Bermuda, or I think Jamaica. My mom went there to the factory and showed me some pictures of it. It was quite interesting. But I gotta get all my gameplays, load up Grand Theft Auto 5 to see if it's going to give the option to update, and no such luck. So, Cyberpunk has a free PlayStation 5 update, so I'm ecstatic about that. So I'll end up playing that thing later on. I'll figure out. But Gran Turismo 7, I'm getting back in contact with it. I don't like the update, but now I'm dealing with a direct drive wheel, and sensitivity is so much more different. This one compared to the T598. I like the T598 for what it is. It was a comment, and the guy was talking about he had a CSL before, and these things are really nice. Most times that you feel any step, the clogging is when it's powered off. So it's not like it's constantly doing while you're driving. I haven't felt it in this. I'm still trying to figure out the settings. So I gotta go back through Windows and make sure I got it on 8 Newton meters all the way up. I'll just start turning everything down via game. I was going through those settings and remembered it from when I was the T300, because some certain cars were just different. Some be cool, just like it is right now. Some of them are good, and some of them got very, very, very heavy dampening and torque on the down thing. So when you're turning it, it's like, oh shit, this feel like a depowered rack. Oh, I feel at home. So, but when turning the car and when you're in motion, it's still heavy, which kind of doesn't make too much sense, because at speeds and you're turning, it loosens up a little bit, having unpowered racks. So, at least that's my experience with my RX-7 personally. 2 RX-7s. I did my Integra like that, DC2, and the original, I think it's DA1. I don't know. The Dookie top pop-up headlights that look like the Honda Accords. Some people kind of mistake them for 86 Corollas, AE86s. So, anyhow, PlayStation 5 is interesting. It loads up Gran Turismo a lot faster. I was just speaking about Gran Turismo and me having to get back in touch with the game. I'm thinking about just playing my first Gran Turismo. Do some of the game save and then load it up. So it might be interesting. Some people might rather watch that instead of hearing me talk jabber jabber jabber, because yes, I do speak and I don't always show about cars, the game, or the wheel setup, and I'm just liable to just start talking about random shit, and I've got plenty of it where it's just random shit and it had nothing really to do with video games or this, that, and the other. Like I said, you'll get a video of me just randomly talking. So it's like that motherfucker you walk down the street and he's just there doing some random shit. You just talk to him, or he just gets to talking your ear off. That old uncle that you go, or friend's uncle that's just in the garage with a damn cigarette hanging out their mouth, beer over in the corner, is fucking with some shit with a screwdriver and start talking to you about some random shit. So that's me. I'm that 47-year-old uncle. So technology is nice, but technology is going to be the end of a lot of things, and it's happening already. So I'm thinking about doing my first Gran Turismo. I might just go through all my gameplays, start from scratch. If you guys are interested, let me know. If not, I probably still do it, but on my other channel that went directly with my PlayStation account. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I was talking to my brother earlier, and he was talking about changing, getting another channel. And once I'm comfortable driving and competent enough to run online with other people, I might join him in some races or do some of my own races and possibly maybe even get lined up to race with him. I don't know. But anyhow, it's after midnight and it's a good night. It's a good day. I have to finish this damn setup. It's getting quite annoying. At least I'm not bumping my knees. But the angle is too straight. It needs to be more of an angle. That's just, I don't know. It needs more angle. So I'm going to leave it like this. Have a good night. Brush your teeth, wash your hands, take a shower, put on some lotion. It helps with the skin. Drink some water. Too much soda in your system is fucking up some shit. Drink some water. Your skin might clear up some more. Anyway, have a good night. I am lit. One.